Hello, Buddhist civil engineer. So today I will talk about the unit na. Unit ki kole tu bol. Unit ding ki side na heb dulu lalu engineers ki ma level contract disulu unit convert baby jingo bol. They as I have uploaded my unit conversion in AutoCAD mula. Then AutoCAD na upload be they would aniya anything mm2 inch na chemche be bate mola nding drawing yanal te lalu battles ta dele lalu ani gachlo pen dele go safety na measure be ko plo ansum halam ewa te mola te ani be delu ngachige tato ngai temidi ani ngoma focus on the important units chemche tu bola te gachibela watching because more people they usually they get confused in unit conversion email. I will just focus the important unit chamchi tugal. First I will talk about 1 feet is equal to 0.3048 meter. The second is 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. No need to remember both imeba ngachi te ani chi remember be watching we can get this la kade bela watching ani dimola if you want to get this one mola feet and feet 1 feet pin no go to go no do watching just you can do it 1 meter mola 1 meter is equal to 3.28 imeba feet so 1 feet is how much semi wala then be the lu ngachigi 1 meter divided by 3.28 mo ani be 3.28 divided by 3.28 be the lu anadi 3.28 0 ani divide be the lu 3 point member 0.3048 is equal to 1 feet set mo ani be ani di meter na ani be ani be jongbol te an be dulu chi shewaje tubala ni be jindo te an the chi if you know the 1 or 2 an be watching it's okay tubala te an be dulu number 3 be watching achi 1 square meter and the to kan the to ani an be du zumbera sembera jong tubala anal karna te an be dulu 10.76 square feet more. The number 4 by watching 1 cubic meter is equal to 35.28 CFT. Number 5 the 1 feet is equal to 12 inches inch more anila ani the king of the kelche to ani the important unit me ngai ta 0.083 chi ani bini do ngachi if you don't being as an engineer if you don't know conversion of unit feet to inch to feet then watch lucho ni lalu rechikap because when sometimes when we have gathering with the labor contract and also the workers smaller labor this chiga kan there be chare thu kachu be debdalu if they ask any questions argue junior but mola cha thu azum be odar rechik te ani be odalu argue jodalu khonde sigi man easiest thing ra ani me bola unit ki dini lalu gi ani be anzum da te ani be odalu ngachi ani simple thing dan di simple me bola so ani di ngachi sim ka shawachin so in future mo now say lalu yachin anzum na face baby ongla lalu maybe some engineers have faced site engineer be site supervisor and the soil unit conversion mashewa be labor disegi 1 feet में 1 feet में कितना इंच होगा आने भी डिटेल लालो की 10 लो लालो की 5 लो लालो की आने भी कंफ्यूज जुनियर ला feet द इंच आने भी लालो की कंफ्यूज जुनियर बोल ते आने भी दलु मचे की play with the measuring tape the chika atra play with the bola anale she bola ngachi te chi the important dira ani ani mishibela lugidi ani the focus ngachi focus bego la mamra ngachi the before when I graduate jodalum ngaya lalu ani ko chalo we I ngaya demo jimba debol ani unit conversion the anbodulu ane betawdulu when people ask about the unit conversion as being an engineer mola unit conversion machine lagadula the anbodulu please all engineers site supervisors and gaberu mo now unit conversion de ship doje bawachin it's a easy meal ani machine de lo choni ki kate chumingo mo the anbodulu please la ani de same gajadi kan channel te convert beodulu chigi chen beodulu ane calculate the ane beola te ngai handwriting da and this limata to bula so if you think it's a very informative imbachin na bu subscribe chi penala so please support my channel let's kariche